Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today I'm sharing a total game changer. I just stumbled upon an AI image editor that's absolute fire. It's actually built by the team behind the Red app, Xiaohongshu, and honestly, it puts Quen to shame when it comes to pure editing power. Best part? You can try it right now on my favorite cloud platform, the no-brainer setup. Just hop into the AI app, upload your original and a reference photo, and boom, one click to swap outfits or makeup. For my e-commerce fam, whether you're hitting Shopify or Amazon, this is your new best friend. And no, you don't need a PhD in workflows. If you can click a mouse and have at least one working finger, you're overqualified. Quick tip, I'm dropping the link in the description. Click it to grab 1,000 free credits, plus another 100 every day you log in. It's basically free real estate for the I Love Free Stuff squad. Let's see this beast in action. First up, makeup. Head to the prompt box and tell it exactly what you want. I'm typing makeup swap here. Upload the original, hit yes for dual image editing, and run it. Look at that, super natural, right? I even tried it on a model with a deeper skin tone, and the makeup transferred perfectly without messing with her natural complexion. That's some solid stability right there. The outfit swap. Now for the outfit swap. Just switch the photo and tweak the prompt. Check this out. Even tricky pieces like lingerie with all those fine details. Lace and folds come out perfect. The patterns are spot on, and the model's pose didn't budge an inch. Big win. But wait, there's more. This model can swap shoes, models, backgrounds, even poses. Just switch to single image mode, ignore the reference pic, type in the vibe you're going for, and let the AI do the heavy lifting. And here's the kicker. It can edit text too. Pick a layout you love as a reference, then type in your own product's selling points. I did a quick test and even threw in a custom Laura to see if we could level it up. With the Laura, the spacing and layout are much tighter to the reference, and the text is exactly what I typed, maximum control. Without it, it still mimics the style but adds a little extra line of text below, which is actually kind of cool. Both vibes work, just depends on your mood. If this feels like too many steps, don't sweat it. Go check out my first video. That one's all about one-click e-commerce shots. But the beauty of this workflow is the total freedom. You can customize the text to say whatever you want, whenever you want. If you're an e-commerce seller, especially on Shopify or Amazon, this is going to skyrocket your efficiency. If this helped you out, smash that like button, save this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.